Our expectations is nothing less than finishing #1, nothing less than the championship. That's a failure, you know, if we don't win the championship. When you got Yao Ming and Tracy McGrady and then Ron Artest, you shouldn't be talking about anything else. We coming out #1 next year.
Give me space, give me space, give me space, give me space, what? I'm about to get wild and rep my hood. Give me space, give me space, give me space, give me space, what? I'm about to get wild and rep my hood. Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Yo, it's trouble, trouble, money on the double, double. Watch them guns blow, out the rotten dot, pistol pop, NY, crooked cops, Timberland, Yankee fitted, Air Force One, shoot to be shot. What it is, what it do, North Pole, egg blues, home of the gangster, home of the hustlers, time is money, gotta make move. Knicks, Giants, Rangers, Mets, gang bang, throw up your sets, homie shouldn't place a bet if he can't cash a check. Cali got that sticky green, out east is pit for me, twist 100 and get blunted, blown off that killery. See, I rep the projects, burners in my closet, cash flow, don't stop it, whip stacks, box it, game face, keep it on. Over here's no sleeping dog, closed mouth won't get fed. Half of y'all when you eating long. True warrior next in line, see what happens, stop my shine. Nasty north, dirty south, must be out your damn mind. The nasty north or the dirty south, you gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about?
I'm nasty, erratic, and crazy, thuggin' and bubbling and baby. QB and NYC raging, shoot pimp on the track and the beat is blazing. My life still real, people hating. They said I should change my ways. My ways is the way that I grew up yesterday, and today I'm the same, insane African from the QB, the nasty north. Relate to some thug, cause I'm a boss. True warrior, holding it down for the hoods of the York. Bulls of the court, blood of the sport, and of course, on the block I'm a horse, on the mic I'm a force, and I'm baked in your force. I'm real like AI, left and right cross. Frontin' on me, that's a poor choice. Dutch with the C's, that's a poor choice. Snitches in the hood, snitches in the league. I call him Uncle T. My money tastes good on bagels, stacking cream cheese. And a blueberry Bentley with 1 seat. 260 with a jumper that's sweeter than cherries. Catch me on 12th Street, 10th Street or burning. With Naughty, the PIMP, that fire, we burning.
Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta
maybe a little lucky. Here's Artest, he gets to step on Terry. Oh my goodness! Did you see that? On the bench as well. What's the strength and power of Ron Artest?
Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Are you from the nasty north or the dirty south? You gotta rep your hood, know what I'm talking about? Give me space, give me space, give me space, give me space. What?
Turn my music high, 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 yeah.
You don't know what you're doing.
Sure I do. I'm from the streets where the hood can swallow on me. Bullets will follow on me. There's so much coke that you could run the slalom. And cops comb this shit top to bottom. They say that we are prone to violence, but it's home sweet home. With personalities clashing, chrome meets chrome. The coke prices up and down like it's Wall Street home. But this is worse than the Dow Jones. Your brains are now blown all over that brown brone. One slip, you are now gone. Welcome to hell where you are, welcome to sell. But when them shells come, you better return them. All scars, we earn them. All cars, we learn them like the back of our hand. We watch for cops hopping out the back of van. Wear a G on my chest, I don't need that, but damn. This ain't a sewn outfit, Holmes is about it. Was clapping them flamers before I became famous. For playing me, y'all shall forever remain nameless. I am home. Sure I do. I tell you the difference between me and them. They trying to get they ones, I'm trying to get them M's. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. In just 5 years, 40 million more. You are now looking at the 40 million boy. I'm raping Def Jam till I'm the 100 million man. R-O-C. I swear you're wrong. I came into this motherfucker 100 grand strong. 9 to be exact, from grinding G-packs. Put this shit in motion, ain't no rewinding me back. Could make 40 off a brick, but one rhyme could beat that. And if somebody would've told him that Ho would sell clothing, not in this lifetime, wasn't in my right mind. That's another difference that's between me and them.
I'm confident.
You're confident.
I got Yao Ming on my team, and Tracy McGrady. Yao and Tracy are the leaders of this team, and anything they say is right. They can't do nothing wrong in my eyes. I said I'll jump off the building for Yao Ming. Whatever Yao Ming tell Ron Artest to do, that's what he's going to destined to win. That's how I feel.
So the bottom line is Ron Artest being in Houston right now with T-Mac, with
Shane.
Yao Ming, with Shane and Rafer Alston and those boys.
Scola.
If we're not calling Ron Artest and the
Brent
Houston
Barry,
Rockets
Coach
NBA world champions, next season's a failure.
It's a failure. What else do you want?